Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Luke Heyman and today we're going to be talking about how to be productive. So this is 2 Minute Thursday, a new series I'm starting where I'm basically going to be talking in 2 minutes a concrete productive tip that you can include and implement into your life to be more productive. So let's just jump straight into it. When I was trying to figure out what I should talk about today, I was thinking, what is the one thing that distracts people the most? And ultimately that's phones. It's phones really. Like, phones are the things that prevent us from being deep into our work and really being focused. They offer us a bit of distraction, and the residue of the attention we've given to another task on our phone, let's say social media, will always impact our brains. And so it's better to just put your phone aside completely when you're working. So the solution I've actually come for this, and a solution that I use every day and that really helps me be productive, is one, having my phone far from my desk. That's pretty easy. But two is the place I usually put my phone on my desk, I'll put a water bottle there instead. And so what happens is when I have the desire to go on my phone, I'm starting to think, oh, okay, I need to go on my phone, I'm starting to get distracted, I will look at where my phone is, water bottle, I will have a sip, and then go back to work. And what this does is it uses a concept used in meditation of clear-mindedness. So in meditation, you're focusing your breath on 10, 1, 2, 3, you're counting. If your thoughts are distracted, you tell yourself, oh, my thought is distracted, and come back to the task at hand. And this is what meditation does. This is what the water bottle trick does. You understand that you're distracted, you take a sip, you externalize that thought, and come back to the task at hand. So that was 2 Minute Thursday. 2 Minute Thursday is an easy 1% increase in your habits, and if you keep on increasing your life 1% at a time, you will get better, you will get productive. So I hope this was useful to you. Consider subscribing, consider liking if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next Thursday.